I mean, there's so many layers to the customer success experience. You have health scores, you have check-ins, you have activity. You might have a healthy customer who all of a sudden blindsides you with a churn, and it's not documented. So when you're doing this manually, you miss a lot. You're also spending a lot of time with your team, really making sure that they're following up on busy work, constantly tracking things correctly and updating things instead of really focusing on what matters, which is driving results for the customer.
I just don't understand how is it even possible to do customer success with all that manual work. How are you thinking of designing your organizations now to be able to scale? What are you going to do differently?
When I was first talking to you, I was like, well, there's no way to actually log this field and log this field. You're like, you don't need fields, Cara. Like that's a thing of the past. You don't need that. And so it took me a long time to really wrap my mind around that and start getting into a new rhythm. Right now I'm one woman show, right? Like I'm doing this on my own, which agency allows me to do. And when we do start building a team, which will be very soon, they'll be able to just come in and understand all of the history of their book of business in one place without really needing a ton of onboarding from the rest of the team, so they can get started faster. Then from a day-to-day perspective, I think that we'll be able to have a bigger book of business per CSM. Gone are the days of book of business reviews. No more time on that. I think it's going to be, well, who's a key decision maker? What do they want to expand to? What products do they want to use? When is the renewal coming up? How have we been handling that? And I'm really excited. I'm really excited about the future.